So just finished the hood light install. This one's going to be a little bit different than what you see out there. Actually went with two BajaDesigns, basically rock lights, and the reason why they were chosen in this position is because this illuminates plenty of light onto the actual engine bay without the lights basically blinding you while you're trying to work on the vehicle. On top of that, for the York onboard air, actually it was rewired to work out for the SwitchPros. So now we have this extra switch here. So this switch actually now controls the hood light. So the other thing that was done is the whole wiring for this was actually done through keyed hot. So now my little brother's going to go ahead and turn off the key, and so you can't accidentally leave the hood light on.